Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vidisha's Creations. In this video, we will focus on the hand posture and a leg posture. This is very easy, but I'm thinking I can teach you the hand posture and the leg posture. So let's start. This is very simple and small thing. But it is the part of my course, so you have to learn. See. Uh, some hand posture is very common, so I teach you that all the hands. See, you need to make one box. Okay, now one line. Okay, got it. Now it's a very simple and you can find it anywhere, not in the Kerala mural, you can find it anywhere. Okay, now just draw one this and okay, this is first hand. Now the second hand, just you need to draw one line here like this. Okay, got it. Now just draw the line like this. Okay, now just you need to follow the steps. Even when you will make final picture, then you can trace the design. No need to make this type of hand separately and all, na? But this is the part of course, that's why I am teaching you. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is the second. You can make it pointed. Okay, now the third one. Just okay, it is like she is holding something like lotus. Got it? Okay. One more design is hand posture is very common in Kerala Murla because Radha Krishna's is always there. So this is the flute and Shri Krishna's is holding this is the down portion. Now you have to extend this thing here. Okay, and just one and two finger and just draw the third finger. Okay, okay, this is it is flute. So these are very common hand posture. Now this is one line, two line and three line. Okay, this observe the gaps. Now you can draw one. Okay, 2 3 4 and 5, 2 3 4 and 3 4 5. Okay, this is very common leg of Lakshmi ji. Okay, okay, now the next one, you can see, you can draw this leg like one. Okay, 2 4 and 5. Okay, now you can extend this line here, and you can extend this line here, and okay, these all these are very this much. These all these are very common pattern in Kerala mural art. So one more leg is very important because Krishna ji is always there, so you can trace the design like one, and just 2, okay, 3, 4, 1, 2, just make the square. Now this is little bigger and big, okay, and it should be like this, okay. This leg will use in when we will make Bal Krishna, then we can use this type of legs, okay. Now 1, okay, 2, okay, 3 and 4, okay. Just you need to make 4 zigzag type of line. Now you can like this and this one. Just you need to trace like this, and you need to trace like this. This is the Leta sleeping leg, okay. Now which we can I teach you one more hand posture like 1 and 2, okay. Just draw. Okay, this is the pranam posture. Now one leg can be make okay, just you need to draw one line, okay, and okay, and now okay, just draw one line here, same that leg, this is the standing leg of Krishna ji. Okay, you can make one more leg, like suppose he's sitting somewhere, then you can and this one, okay. This posture you can make in the sitting portion of the god and goddess. So I think this is enough to make the practice. This is the very small things which I have to complete it in this episode. From the next episode we will start coloring. We will focus on the color portion, and after that after this episode I will teach you all the color mixing process and all the color combination process, and almost color portion will be start from the next episode, okay. So till then, take care, bye.